1 minute exercise. Everything is better when you do it with pairs. There we go. You see, we are doing this together. Rotate your arms forward and then rotate them back. Yes, take a deep breath in and exhaling out. Really get to feel your shoulders and feel your chest opening as well as your shoulder blades. But keep going, breathing in, exhaling out. As you're rotating, guys, let's stretch our arms away from our bodies. Yes. As we are rotating, stretching the arms away from your body and feel the difference. Feel it. It's there. And then breathe with it. Exhaling out. Almost there. Almost there. Do you feel that? I know what you feel. I can feel it too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. No surprise. Good.